guys, my name is Rain and this is Logan. And today we are going to be doing a candy colored dissolve experiment, right Logan? So this is actually for Logan's. This is actually for Logan's school, but we want to do it. So we got water, oil, soda, vinegar, and juice. I put candy corn in here. So first we're gonna put the candy corns inside. So we're gonna do water. Oh, that's gonna win.
Okay, drop them all in.
And then no, don't drop them like all in, like blah 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 blah. Vinegar.
You can drop one more in soda.
Soda. Yeah, maybe soda needs to like be a mix, like mine already melted.
And how long do you think we should come back? And how long should we wait and come back?
6 minutes.
6 minutes? Okay, see you in 6 minutes.
So, we let this all for a while. I really don't know how long it was, but this is the juice right now. Here, let me take it.
It's like oversaturated with water. That's why it's not dissolving as
That.
fast.
This is juice. And then this is the vinegar, which is looking very good.
Okay, show us the water. Which one was the water?
This one's the water. I can't quite pick it up, but it's a little.
This is all of it's dissolved.
Yeah, most of it. And then this is you see it, and
Yeah.
I accidentally put a hole through it, so it's gonna be permanent.
So the soda and then the
soda.
juice.
The soda and the juice are kind of flattening out.
You know why?
No.
Because the liquid is super saturated already, so it can't absorb any more sugar.
And then this is the oil, which basically
Not absorbent
doing
at all.
anything.
Yeah. It's not absorbent, doesn't dissolve. No, nothing.
And that's it so far. We will report to you when some things are like disappeared. Bye.